The Consumer Electronics Show, or CES, is the go-to event for the latest and greatest tech consumers can expect to see in the near and sometimes distant future. And as the auto industry has continued to bleed more and more into the tech space, it's had an increasingly large presence at the Gadget Showdown. These are the top 5 automotive technologies at CES 2020. The last thing we expected from electronics giant Sony was a car. But that's exactly what we got when it unveiled its Vision S concept. The electronic vehicle is designed to showcase Sony's suite of tech. It's equipped with 33 sensors used for valet parking, advanced cruise control, facial recognition, and various safety features. Each seat has individual speakers to allow passengers to listen to their own music, and a panoramic display shows a host of entertainment and driver assistant features. Mercedes-Benz unveiled a concept car inspired by the 2009 Avatar movie. The automaker worked alongside the Avatar team to create the Vision AVTR, which stands for Advanced Vision Transportation. In true Avatar fashion, the car has a biometric connection to the driver. Instead of a steering wheel, you place your hand on a pad Mercedes calls a multifunctional control element. It recognizes the driver by their heartbeat and breathing patterns. But the most interesting piece of tech in the concept is the battery. It doesn't use any unsustainable rare earth elements or metals, but instead uses graphene-based organic cell chemistry, which makes the entire battery compostable. Jeep already announced its plans to electrify all of its powertrains by 2022, and the automaker gave us a first look at those efforts at CES 2020. The Renegade, Compass, and Wrangler plug-in hybrid models were on display at Jeep's booth wearing the new 4xe badge, signifying its electric lineup. Jeep isn't sharing details on the engine, battery capacity, range, or performance just yet. EV startup Byton revealed an affordable electric SUV concept at CES in 2018. This year, it's unveiled a production-ready version of the car. At the front of the vehicle is the Byton stage, a 48-inch screen that stretches from pillar to pillar. It's much more than your average infotainment system. The Byton stage can integrate your calendar, show weather updates, sports updates, and stocks. And while parked, you can enter video conference calls and watch movies. The Byton M-Byte will start at $45,000. Audi unveiled its Amy concept car at the Shanghai Auto Show in 2019, but brought it to CES to show off its robust set of tech. It's designed to be a third living space outside of home and work that delivers similar comforts found in those spaces. It's equipped with level 4 autonomy and a steering wheel that retracts into a desktop when activated. The concept also has features meant to relax you during your urban commute, including a virtual reality headset that allows you to fly above beautiful landscapes, eye tracking to navigate the infotainment system, and self-learning functions, which allow the car to understand user patterns and habits to increase safety, well-being, and comfort. While the concept is cool, we're not so sure if we'll see this tech in Audis in the near future. And that's our top 5 automotive technologies from CES 2020. Let us know what your favorite was in the comments below.